You've tried teaching your dog to obey basic commands like sit, stay, or heel. Or your dog's constantly barking or chewing on furniture and you want it to stop. Now, teaching even simple commands or changing misbehaviors can be a challenge. That's where Havahart comes in. Featuring state-of-the-art electronics, the handheld Havahart Remote Trainer is an effective training tool designed specifically to help train your dog to follow your directions and commands. Used by many training professionals, it's a safe and highly effective method for both eliminating negative behavior and creating desired positive behavior. After just a few minutes a day training your dog with the help of the remote trainer, you'll be surprised at the positive results you will achieve. In fact, you may notice improvements in your dog's behavior during the first week of training. But keep in mind that while the remote trainer will help you achieve your dog training goals, you as the pet's owner are the key in the training process and to a successful outcome. Let's take a closer look at the trainer. Only use your remote trainer if your dog is older than 6 months and weighs more than 8 pounds. If your dog has any health problems, please talk to your veterinarian before using the trainer. The remote trainer is simple to turn on and operate. Notice that it does not have an on-off switch. It turns on automatically when you push one of its 4 buttons: stimulus level, dog selector, warning, or correction. The remote trainer can correct the collar receiver from up to 100 yards away through 2 training modes: tone only or stimulus with tone. When you press the appropriate button, a static stimulus or a tone is sent to the trainer's receiver collar and a correction is delivered to your dog through the collar's probes. As a safety feature, the unit automatically shuts off when any button is pressed for 10 seconds. The remote trainer can operate 2 collars at the same time by toggling the dog selector switch on the handheld controller. The digital readout panel tells you which collar is in operation. Consistency, as always, is essential to training success. To eliminate negative behavior in your dog, watch it closely. Use the remote trainer to deliver a static stimulation anytime it demonstrates the misbehavior you want to change. Your dog will quickly associate the undesired action with the static stimulus and stop. If your dog does not stop, increase the stimulus level until it responds in a positive manner. Certified dog trainers maintain that the first step to successful training is to teach your dog a desired behavior, to sit, stay, or come, for example, using a traditional 6-foot leash. Then, after your dog has learned these commands, use the remote trainer to correct mistakes in conjunction with the leash. Once your dog is trained and off the leash, the receiver collar acts as an invisible leash to control your dog and ensure its obedience, even at a long distance. Thank you for making Havahart brand a part of your pet's training.